gonna make a video because I had fun the first time and I'm gonna keep doing it. Right now I'm in downtown and I am walking to go close on my apartment and I am so excited. Okay, I got lost, but I'm back on track. I have my businessy outfit. I put on a nice outfit for my closing. I'm holding a sock because this is what I've been carrying my camera in because I can't find the lens cap. So we are all signed, and they put me in this really cool big room all alone. They had a snack bar, so of course I got a bunch of snacks. This, I pretty much took one of everything that was available. This, I got my keys, and I was gonna go to the apartment, and then I was gonna go over tonight, but I changed into sweats and I'm already on my couch. I'm watching Vikings, yeah. This is gonna be a hard spot to leave because it is cold, very cold outside, and I don't really have any intention of leaving this room again for the rest of the night. So we'll go over tomorrow. So last night I actually ended up going out with a new friend, but definitely a friend. We went to dinner, and then on the way back, she drove me home, and we stopped by the place because I had the keys with me, and I literally couldn't open the door. We couldn't open it. So I just picked up some tiles. I got a ton of tiles. It was like a flooring company they were just getting rid of some tiles that somebody changed their mind about, I guess. The guy was really nice. And now I have a flooring guy. Look at all the tiles. Okay, there's so many. Okay, so I got in. I don't know what to think or do. It's weird. So this is the entryway. And then to the right, we have like a little old living room. And then you go through here and then in here's the first bedroom. We go through, we have the bathroom. Honestly, I like those tiles. I don't know what maybe I'll retile this. This is the master. Very spacious. Actually, this might not be the master. This might be the second bedroom. The other one, they're both small. And then here, this is the entryway to the other living room and the kitchen. They used to have a portable island there. I guess they took it away, which I didn't realize was gonna happen. But hey, I can get my own. I now have a microwave. I don't have that right now. I also have a dishwasher. I also don't have that currently. I'm sad they painted all this black and the beams too, because there was a really nice wood that's around the rest of my apartment. So ideally I want to get the black off, but we'll just have to see. Okay, and this is kind of almost the best part. This deck right here is mine. It's like a private deck just for me. Is this a bottle of wine? Oh, it's champagne. Another thing that I really like about this apartment, so like obviously it's old, right? It's one of that's part of the reason I like it, because it feels like sturdy. This is the back door, right? Very secure. This locks it. This locks it, but this right here, because Chicago's a dangerous city, this is like original to the building where people would just put a board for safety. like stick a board through there so nobody broke in. So it's now Wednesday. It's been a couple of days. The movers come on Saturday and I'm supposed to be packing up my apartment. And I haven't done anything. I don't even have boxes yet. I was planning on doing some packing tonight, but honestly, I don't know what to pack it into, and that's just not gonna happen. I've already accepted it. I turned on my oven and I'm just gonna make some dinner. Anyway, so I figured since this might be the last time that my apartment's like in its current existing state where I'm living in it and whatever, and I haven't moved anything out, I thought I'd give like a last tour of like what it looks like. So this apartment I got moved in the heart of the pandemic, June of 2020. So I spent a lot of time in this when I was working remote for my first year of working ever. Lots of stuff happened here. Yeah. So it's kind of weird to be moving out. I want to say it's bittersweet, but honestly, I'm excited to leave. Let's start the tour. So this is the door. This peephole is how I would like check on people. My whole first year while I was here, like during COVID, I'd be like, ooh, who are my neighbors? I'd look out that hole. So this is the entryway, basically. That didn't used to be there. I found that at Goodwill. I got it for like $3 maybe. Maybe it was $4. There's a really good Goodwill in Peoria, Illinois, if you're there, which is where my grandparents live. That used to not be there, and I used to do like yoga here every morning, and then I got that, and now I don't do that. If you're seeing that I'm wearing my slippers from Mexico, you'd be right. And, you know, gotta live in the vacation mode all the time. Ignore this. I like went really hard for Christmas the first year and like nailed that into the wall and just got too lazy, and obviously there's way too much stuff on it to ever take it off. This is the living room area. This couch was my first purchase with my bonus. It's like way lower than all of my other furniture. So my dad actually built a stand for it, and then we got it and it was like way too high. Like the couch was like, I could like touch the heavens with my hands. It was so high. So he brought it back and is shaving it down, which is super nice, and is way too complicated. I gave him the wrong measurements. But anyway, got some photos. I originally had like a huge plan. There was gonna be like tons of stuff here. That didn't happen. But I do have this great photo of my parents. How cute. Like 80s. And then cousin photo. Cute. And then this awesome photo from New York from a film camera. I spent a lot of money on this. I figured if I'm gonna get a TV, I might as well like get a good one and a big one. So it's like almost 60 inches. I got it from Costco, and it like barely fits on this. I don't know if you can tell, but it was like, it's like scarily on the edge. Like, look at that. So I found this also at Goodwill. This was like $1, not the record player, the TV stand that it's on. And it was really cool. It came with an old like tag on it. I since lost it, which I'm bummed, but it was like the furniture manufacturer, and he was like some really cool guy who made a lot of stuff in like the 70s, 80s. Over here is the kitchen. Well used. I love to cook. It's like the cutest little stove. It has these tiny, tiny burners. I don't know if you can see, that's like my pan on top of it. Like it takes up all 4 of these burners. I can just put it right in the middle. Don't look in the sink. I literally hate doing dishes. It's like my least favorite chore. Oh, I've been looking for this. I got these squeeze bottles because I'm chefing it up. And then yeah, it's pretty functional. Let's ignore this nightmare of an area. Like a little quick bathroom glance because it's so packed and kind of messy. I don't know. Shower. Had to do that. Anyway, so not that exciting, but hey. Oh my gosh, I could have made my bed for this. Normally it's made. I don't know what happened this morning. I genuinely have been making my bed lately. But anyways, I also didn't get out of bed this morning until like I absolutely had to. Like I was definitely late to work. The trains were like moving slowly. So my boss was 40 minutes late. So he couldn't tell that I was like 10 minutes late, which was fine. So anyways, my bed is normally made here. I like kind of just made it in the background. That's it. Honestly, my bedroom's not that exciting. I have like stuff up there that I put crap on. That's pretty much it. I have these golf clubs with hopes and dreams of becoming a golf player. That might happen. I also, after Mexico, because I became obsessed with playing tennis there for that like 2 days that I played tennis obsessively. So now I bought a whole tennis outfit. I have a tennis racket and 3 balls. So come summertime, or if anybody has like a private indoor tennis court that they want me to be able to play on, or that I can play on, I guess, let me know. I'd love to play against you. So for this apartment, I pay $1,000 a month. I feel like I should say that just because it's a good thing to know. That's all. You can tell it's gonna be a good day because, also probably why I'm talking quicker than normal, I got a Starbucks. Oh, so good. Normally I like hot coffees, but for Starbucks, I'm like, their cold foam, in my opinion, is like one of the best things ever created. My favorite coffee drink ever to exist is in Nashville from this place called Alabaster and Onyx, and they have this latte that's like a salted caramel, and oh my gosh, you gotta get it in 12 ounce because it's like the perfect ratio of espresso to milk and to like the salted caramel, and it is just so good. I finally got boxes last night. The movers come in less than 24 hours, actually in 25 hours. So I have a full day to pack, and I have absolutely done nothing. So, but I did get boxes, so that's like a huge step in the right direction. And I don't know what this thing is. Should we do an unboxing? I have literally no clue what this is. I'm not expecting it. Honestly, it might be a cookbook because I have a cookbook problem where I cannot stop getting cookbooks. Oh yeah. Yeah, oh. Sorry, I got an email. Work. So I'm packing right now. I got my first box done. And look, this is actually, I've decided that I like packing. It's like well, kind of fun. I feel like I'm playing Jenga, and I just want to show you how satisfying this is. Okay, watch this. It fits perfectly, and wait for it. Oh my gosh. I want to say I'm halfway done packing, but it feels like I haven't packed anything. But yeah, let's go get some noodles. This is my new YouTube channel. Keys are in the drawer. Hello. So I am officially moved in. I kind of stopped recording yesterday. My parents left, my sister and brother-in-law left, and now it's just me in this huge, huge place.